for that update. So votes go in tomorrow, and then later in the evening, starting 5 p.m., we'll have the exit polls out of Karnataka. The market will also have a close eye on the results. Well, for now, we're going to end with about 7 point cut on the Nifty. It was looking like a smooth journey in the first half, 60 points, 65 points at the day's high, but in the red by close is how we're going to end. Market breadth overall also deteriorated quite a bit. I just want to quickly highlight the losers on the index, the big ones, and then we'll look at broader markets. Divi's, Coal India and IndusInd are the big losers. But if you want to go by what dragged things, it was ITC, it was SBI, and I think Bajaj Finance. These were the stocks which actually took things a little lower. UPL and UPL was the other one which actually was a significant sort of cut as well. Results came yesterday, numbers disappointed. I think there were some earnings cuts, etc. So the results, the stock reaction showing up in terms of the day-to-day. But broader markets, of course, much more color, a lot more action there. Prima.
Absolutely. And the star there was Mankind Pharma. The new listing glowing home with a gain of about 32.5%. Just a quick word on the winners. TCS didn't feature on the gainers list, but right now, as I can see it, it's the second biggest Nifty mover. So sharp up move coming through in TCS in the last 10 minutes, and TCS ending with a gain of 1.5%. IT Boys, Wipro, Infy giving it company. Divi's Laboratory is the top Nifty gainer today with an up move of nearly 3%. Some private sector financials, IndusInd Bank and Axis Bank saw buying, and along with that, Tata Motors and M&M.
I was a large cap list, but as Prashant said, the color really was in the mid caps. You have so many individual movers. Mankind, you mentioned Rima. Mahanagar Gas, clear hit on numbers, 7.5% on the upside. Birla Soft, 7% on the upside. SRF numbers came in just a while back, 2% up on that stock as well. But then comes the losers list. Westside's numbers came out just a while back as well, just half an hour, 40 minutes back. Stock is actually ending down 4.5%, though year on year, the growth numbers look pretty impressive. Margins looked up. But anyway, stocks ending lower. Kansai Nerolac lost a lot of the enthusiasm that we were looking at in the earlier part of the session, 1.5% down there as well. And Zomato, a lot of chatter on food delivery and whether ONDC can really be a big disruptor in some of these businesses like Swiggy and Zomato. So down about 6% on that one stock. In addition, Sula has had a huge pop by the end of the day. It's not really a Friday move, but an 8.5% surge on Sula. So big move coming in over there. Tata Communication was the other one, which was on the upside, as was Manappuram. Indiabulls Real Estate in terms of newsmakers because of the NCLT courts in Chandigarh not approving the merger, at least raising some objections on it as of now. That stock was down about 20%. So those were the big news headlines of the day. Finally, the Nifty going home with a cutoff of 5 points, and the mid-cap index absolutely flat. So that's been today's session. It's been a 1 day up Friday, 1 day down Friday, 1 day up Monday, 1 day down again on Tuesday. The market's getting into a volatile trajectory. We will wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. On that note, thank you very much for watching. But don't go anywhere because our Tuesday special Commodity Champions coming up next.